Hi, I'm Ed Martin. I'm the Vice President General Manager of Custom Castings. Custom Castings is a manufacturer of aluminum and zinc components using the permanent mold casting process. So before we had the automated machining cell at Custom Castings, we were having a capacity constraint within our horizontal milling machines. We provide a machined product for one of our large customers. It's a family of components. They're filter adapters, oil filter adapters. The way that we were machining them was a complex machining cycle. It required 2 operations on a horizontal mill. And given the length of cycle time and the amount of volume of these parts that we had to do, it was requiring more than one full 24/7 running of a horizontal milling machine. So we were actually running 1 point something machines in order to be able to produce that part. And our customer was going to be ramping up volumes even more. So we really had to do something to increase our spindle capacity and throughput for that family of parts. There's many reasons why we went with Eascan. We don't know what we don't know, and when it comes to automation, we are certainly on the journey, but we needed some help, and we recognized that right up front. When we were looking for a provider, one thing that was important to us was that it was somebody local that we could have quick access to, and that would be responsive and able to meet our needs. So Eascan being a local Winnipeg company for us, that was important. Obviously the expertise, we needed to be comfortable that Eascan knows what they're doing, and I will tell you that they definitely know what they're doing. The staff there, they're extremely knowledgeable. We certainly had a lot of reservations going into it, not knowing exactly what we were going to be getting, and no reservations at all with what we got. The quality of the product was excellent, and the services that they provide both during the project design as well as after the fact has been second to none, exactly what we've been expecting. And we're trying to learn ourselves from them as well. So the automated machining center took what we used to do on one machine with 2 operations and split it up, those 2 operations, into 2 individual machines, manned with a machine tending robot. So we would have the robotic arm will be doing the loading and unloading from both of those machines. So it's gonna take everything from an unmachined part off of the turntable, load machine 1, grab the machines from machine 1, put them on machine 2, grab the finished parts from machine 2 back onto the turntable so the finished products can be go for subsequent processing after that. The automated machining cell really got us out of that equipment capacity constraint that we had. We were able to not only transfer all of the work from that one horizontal mill onto the automated machining center. Given the cycle time improvements, we've been able to actually put more parts on that as well. There's additional capacity on the AMC, we call it. That of course has freed up 1 point something horizontal mills for other work. So it really had a big savings from us from alleviating that capacity constraint. The fact that it's automated as well certainly provides a lot more efficiency in doing the machining. The quality, it's very consistent, reliable, using the cell to do the machining for us. I would recommend Eascan for companies that are searching for automation. They really know what they're doing. They are experts in their field. They took the time and really worked with us to explain the solution. They allowed us to be comfortable with the solution. They presented some things that to us initially seemed, oh, that's kind of interesting, but at the end of the day, they really know what they're doing. The product was top quality. Any of the issues, there's always going to be bugs on this type of a thing, and they have been extremely responsive in helping us to resolve the issues that inevitably arise when we started moving the cell, started operating the cell, and even making additional improvements. So not only were they there for us when we were building and implementing this cell to begin with, once we operated it for a while and we identified some other things that maybe we could have it do, they were more than capable of coming in and making the modifications for us to further improve the automated machining cell.